Hello there guys, and welcome to our budget build PC for November of 2014. The budget here is £500 and this is our build. The first item on the list is an AMD A6 6400K. The data width is 64-bit. It's an FM2 socket and the speed is 3.9 GHz. It has 2 cores, 2 different levels of cache, and it includes a CPU cooler, except we won't be using that CPU cooler. The graphics are the Radeon HD 8470D. The cooler we're using is the Cooler Master Hyper TX3 Evo. It's not liquid cool. It's highly popular, and it keeps, even for overclocking, it will keep the CPU cool. The fan speed is 800 to 2200 RPM. The motherboard is the MSI A78M-E35. This motherboard has a form factor of the Micro ATX, and the chipset is an AMD A78. It has 2 240-pin DIMMs and supports DDR3 RAM. The maximum memory is 32 gig. It has support for RAID, and the onboard video depends on CPU. This motherboard has 6 SATA 6 gigabits per second SATA ports and a USB 3.0 header. The RAM we're using is 8 gigabytes of Kingston, DDR3 1600 MHz. Its CAS is 11 and the voltage of 1.5 volts. It doesn't have a heat spreader, but it is a highly reliable RAM stick. The hard drive we're using is a Seagate Rector 1TB drive. Its interface is a SATA 6 gigabit per second. It has a cache of 64 megabytes and it has 7200 RPM. Size is 3.5 inches and it's a rather reliable drive. The graphics card is the Palit GeForce GTX 750 Ti. Its memory is 2 GB of GDDR5. The interface is PCI Express X16 and its power consumption is 60 watts. It includes a fan and its length is 166 millimeters. The case we're using is a Zalman Z3 Plus. The colour is black. It has 2 external 5.25 inch drive bays and 4 3.5 inch drive bays. Motherboard compatibility is ATX, Micro ATX and Mini ITX. It has front panel USB ports as well. The dimensions are 162mm by 465mm by 430mm. The power supply is an EVGA power supply. It has 1 fan. It's not modular. Its energy efficiency certification is 80 plus and it's 430 watts. The optical drive is a Samsung drive, 3 gigabits per second, and the size is 5.25 inches. It's a highly reliable drive and great for just £10. The operating system is Windows 8.1 and it's 64-bit. The monitor is an AOC 18.5 inch monitor. The recommended resolution is 1366 pixels by 768 pixels. It's widescreen and has an aspect ratio of 16:9. The response time is 5 milliseconds, and its refresh rate is 60 Hz. It's an LED monitor and its input is VGA. The wireless network adapter is a USB 2.0 TP-Link internal antenna. It has 2 wireless modes. Its speed is up to 115 megabits per second and is highly recommended. We're using the Gigabyte keyboard and mouse set. The keyboard is standard black and it's wired. It's not backlit or mechanical. The mouse hand orientation is both, and the mouse colour is black. The mouse tracking method is also optical. Finally, we're using the Lenovo MO520 speakers, 2-channel speakers, and the frequency response is 90 Hz to 20 kHz. Total power is 2 watts, and each speaker consumes 1 watt each. These speakers are USB. Thanks for watching this video, guys. We hope you enjoyed. This budget worked out at slightly over £500, but this includes the monitor, keyboard, speakers, and a couple of extra areas. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.